Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fourth subdivision in exercise 3.2's first question. Now let us look at the question. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Let's note down the equation. It is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now, I'm going to take the first equation. Let's see how I'm rearranging this. So, this is 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y. So, x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. Now note, I have taken a particular care to use and substitute the value of in the first equation. Why not do it in the second? See, if I put this value in the second equation, I'm going to multiply this whole expression by 0.4, helping me by scrapping out this 0.4 by 0.2. So this helps us in saving time in calculation. Such small tricks will help you save time, but if you don't remember them, that is okay. You can pick any equation and substitute in any order. Your final answer will still remain the same. But if you look out for such tiny details where you can save time, two things: one, you save time; two, your calculations are relatively smaller and easier. So that will also help reduce your mistakes in the exam. Now let's come back to the solving. So this is going to be 0.4 into, I'm substituting this big value of x here. So it is 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now as I said, this 0.2 and this 0.4, I'm striking it. This is 2 times. So now let's do the 2 into 1.3, which is 2.6 minus 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So minus 0.6 and plus 0.5, which is going to be 2.6 minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3. So if you reorganize, 0.1y is equal to 0.3, which is y is equal to 0.3 by 0.1, which is 3. Now, I'm going to substitute this value of y in this huge expression. So, x is equal to 1.3 minus of 0.3 into 3 divided by 0.2. So, 1.3 minus 0.3 into 3 is 0.9 divided by 0.2. 1.3 minus 0.9 is 0.4 by 0.2, which is equal to 2. So, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. As usual, let's substitute it in both the equations to see if we have got the right answer. So, 2 into 0.2 is 0.4, 0.3 into 3 is 0.9. So, 0.4 plus 0.9, 1.3. So, that part seems okay. Now, 2 into 0.4 is 0.8 plus 0.5 into 3 is 1.5. So 0.8 plus 1.5, 2.3. So in both the substitution, we are able to verify the condition of the equation. So we know that our answer x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is correct. In the next video, we will see how to solve the next subdivision in this particular question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.